In order to utilize the translation tool on our toolbar indicated here, the first step is to go up to the extension, down to the options. Here, looks like a gear or a flower. And you'll want to toggle on translations. There are over 100 languages to choose from within Snap and Read for translations. Not every one has a voice, meaning it can't read aloud, but many of them do. If it does not have a voice, for example, Amharic, it will indicate no Amharic voice installed. What this means is the text can be translated into that language, but it cannot be read aloud. Spanish, scroll down alphabetically here, can be translated and does have read aloud voices. So when I select Spanish, there's a translate voice, and actually if I click on this voice, there's several to choose from. Each one of these is a different dialect, so you'll want to listen to them to make sure you select the one that sounds familiar to your listener or you. I'm going to head back over to my article, remove my distractions, and you can do this two separate ways. You can first highlight and then select the tool, and it will translate. We can then activate our read aloud tool and have this read aloud.
Cualquier cumpleaños número 25 es motivo de celebración, pero lo fue aún más para Janus, una tortuga griega de 2 cabezas que marcó el lituano el 3 de septiembre de 2022.
And it works the exact same. To turn off that read aloud, I select down anywhere within the text. You can also toggle between the, in this case, Spanish and English translations by selecting down on the sentence. So you can toggle between the two, and of course I can have them read both ways.
Natural History Museum in Geneva, Switzerland.
And then of course if I select and turn it back over, it will read.
Museo de Historia Natural de Ginebra, Suiza, ahora.
So this is a great way to explore the text in both languages. And I can also do it the opposite way by selecting the tool first, coming out, highlighting and releasing, and then it will translate. So you have the option to highlight first and then activate the tool, or activate the tool and then translate. And then of course, clicking and toggling between the two languages, and both can be read aloud in this case because Spanish does have a read aloud voice available.